Guys, let's look this my house. Let's look. This is my chair and this is my cheese. And this is my ladder. And let's go up. And up. And it's another up. Oops. Up. Next one is this my bedroom. This is my bedroom. And next is my sitting in this. And my libro on this one. And let's go down. Let's go down. Next one is let's see the wait second. Kung wala pa po kayo subscribe na po kayo. Punta tayo sa ating kapitbahay. Isang kapitbahay pala. Namang tambay dito. Let's go. Ayun ang kanyang bahay. Pero gabi na. Paano natin pupuntahin niya? Tutulog muna tayo. Subscribe po kayo. Kung sino po ang panood nito, subscribe and follow me and comment. Ang iba pong basher na yan, hindi pa ako ang basher. Let's go, my kumama. This is outside my house. Let's look my second house. Not there. It's pang girl. This is second my house. Hindi po ako pala ang basher. Ninyo. Let's go! Fly! Palusot pala ko. Naigdaan naman pala. Nag-elevator pa talaga tayo. Let's go. Up. Up again. Up. Let's up again. Another up. Lapit na lang. This is me. And let's go. This is. That's all. Bye. Wait second. May kulang po tayo nito. Wait lang po. What this? Wow! Wow! Amazing! Oh no, my plants! Wow, it's very good. This is my swimming pool. Oops. This is my tambayan and my swimming pool and my fish. Wow. And this is my waterfalls and my another. Wow, let's go. And this is my terrace. You see a dragon. That's all talaga. Bye.